Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best in pet care. Today, we're diving into the best skunk shampoo for dogs, Skunk-Off Shampoo. If you've ever had your dog meet a skunk up close, you know how tough that odor can be to get rid of. Well, Skunk-Off Shampoo is here to save the day, and it's about time we introduced you to this miracle worker. Skunk-Off Shampoo comes in a 32-ounce bottle and is specifically designed to eliminate skunk odors from dogs, cats, homes, carpets, cars, and just about any surface that could fall victim to that notorious scent. This shampoo is safe to use on all pets, including dogs and cats, and it's even gentle enough for use on their faces and heads, which makes it a great option when your pet has been sprayed directly. What's fantastic about this shampoo is that it uses a unique non-enzymatic formula. This means it works effectively regardless of what other treatments you may have tried in the past. Unlike other products that might mask the smell or use enzymes that take longer to work, Skunk-Off Shampoo gets to the source of the odor and eliminates it fast. It doesn't just cover it up, it neutralizes it right away. Using it is simple. Just saturate the affected areas with the shampoo, especially where your pet was hit. Give it a thorough rinse, and then dry them off. That's it. The scent is gone, leaving your furry friend fresh and clean again. Another standout feature of Skunk-Off Shampoo is its safety. You don't have to worry about toxic chemicals or worrying about your pet being near treated areas. It's completely safe for both pets and children, making it an easy choice for families. The shampoo doesn't have any harsh chemicals or alcohol, so it's gentle on your pet's skin and coat, too. Now, you might be wondering about the consistency of the shampoo. It's thinner than some other shampoos, but that's because it's designed to work quickly and effectively without being too thick or heavy. The formula is optimized for quick absorption and action, and trust me, your dog will appreciate how fast it works. If you're dealing with skunk odor, this is the best way to handle it. Skip the mess and frustration with other products and go straight for Skunk-Off Shampoo. It works fast, it's safe, and it's highly recommended by professionals who deal with pet odors on a daily basis. So, if you want to get your dog back to smelling fresh in no time, make sure to check out Skunk-Off Shampoo. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful.